Okay, we're here tonight with Mr. and Mrs. Mancia picking up their 2010 brand new Matrix from Fordham Toyota. Just wanted to see what you guys thought, how everything went.
Everything went just fine, and Fordham Toyota is one of the best places I've ever seen. Great service, and they answered all my questions. I got a good deal, and Yutan Garcia is one of the best sales representatives. I have bought a Matrix here before, and we were very pleased, and that's why we came back to Fordham Toyota. We'll be back.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mancia.
El servicio de Toyota ha sido uno de los mejores. El señor Yutan García es uno de los vendedores, creo que más competentes, y responde todas las preguntas que uno le hace, y el servicio que nos ha dado ha sido excelente.
Thank you very much, and congratulations on your new vehicle.
Thank you.
Thank you.